Hello, I'm Lauren Ohayon, founder of Restore Your Core, a comprehensive approach to movement that has helped thousands of women reclaim their strength, mobility, and confidence through building a responsive pelvic floor and core. For over 25 years, yes, that long, I have been working with women who are dealing with core and pelvic floor issues that impact their daily lives, from constant low back pain, diastasis recti, pelvic organ prolapse, pain during sex, hypertonic pelvic floor, incontinence, and so much more. What makes RYC different? Well, after 25 years as a movement teacher and 10 years of working specifically with the pelvic floor and core community through my online programs, I've developed an approach that isn't cookie cutter. It's anatomically informed, somatic driven, and nervous system empowered. RYC is your bridge back to the activities you love and the confidence you deserve. It's not about fixing what's broken. It's about understanding that your body is capable, adaptable, resilient, and stronger than you think. In RYC, we move beyond targeted, isolated exercises like Kegels. We take a whole body approach, incorporating dynamic movements designed to restore and optimize core and pelvic floor function. What I am most proud of is seeing women evolve, not just physically, but in how they relate to their bodies. I have runners, horseback riders, yogis, kickboxers who started RYC frustrated, feeling like their bodies have failed them, and that every activity that they loved made their symptoms worse. It's such a bummer. These women embraced our movement philosophy and returned to activities they love with a stronger body and the confidence to match it.
So I started doing Restore Your Core, and it just gave me a lot more strength, a lot more reining in of my flexibility. I'm a lot stronger. I can carry my child now with one arm on the other side.
I think one of the biggest benefits is I'm not in near as much pain anymore. I am stronger, I'm more stable, I'm able to do a lot more. I've also noticed the benefit that the diastasis recti, the gap in my abdomen, has been decreasing in size.
Strengthen my core, the ability to now stand for a long period of time. I got my booty back. I have a booty again.
I, by chance, stumbled over Restore Your Core, and it was the best thing that could have happened to me ever.
The Restore Your Core program has evolved based on years of feedback and my continued development as a movement teacher. We teach functional movement foundations. We weave in many opportunities to nurture your nervous system, and we offer 3 different tracks to meet you exactly where you're at with our online program. Our RYC Essentials option is for self-motivated learners. Our RYC Guided option has more structure, more accountability, more guidance. And then our RYC Coached option is a personalized one-to-one support with a certified RYC professional. For those who have completed the RYC program or are looking for ongoing core and pelvic floor safe movement, we have our RYC Fit online studio. This online studio membership gives you access to over 400 on-demand classes ranging from strength and flow to cardio and restorative movement. You can find everything there. You can find a class for any mood, any energy level, and any time constraint. We have quick 15-minute classes to longer, more comprehensive sessions. For movement professionals, we offer our RYC professional trainings. So whether you're a yoga teacher, a physical therapist, a chiropractor, Pilates instructor, massage therapist, or any other movement specialist, or you're hoping to transition into a career as a movement professional, these trainings equip you with a comprehensive toolkit to help your clients heal and connect with their core and their pelvic floor. We have trained over 500 professionals who are changing pelvic floor care, moving beyond spot treatment to whole body, client-centered care that consistently delivers remarkable results. Here's what I want you to know. Your body has a history, but you are not broken. Yes, your body has imprints from everything it's been through, but it is not too late ever to reconnect with your body, rebuild confidence, and find continued healing and freedom within your body. People who have embraced the Restore Your Core approach to movement have closed their abdominal gaps, resolved their pelvic floor issues, left their prolapse symptoms behind, eliminated back pain, and just recovered trust in themselves and in their bodies. You deserve that too. Visit restoreyourcore.com to get started on your journey today.